like to support me and see more videos, make sure to subscribe, be my patron on Patreon, and gently caress the like button. It's been smashed and slapped enough. Now here's how to shred this song. Learning this song is a great way to get all the ladies to slap you in the face for being such a nerd. I would know. Or maybe that's just because I'm a shy guy. So, put your first finger on the first fret of the E string, then your third finger on the third fret of the A string, and your fourth finger on the third fret of the D string. Very good. After you play it once, you're going to jump up to the fourth fret on the high E string. I'm playing with my second finger, and I go 4, and then 5 with the same finger. But if you want, you can go 4 and 5, to use a different finger next. Alright, so you got do the same thing, except you're going to go down a fret instead of going up a fret. Sweet! So now with your third finger, you're going to play the 8th fret of the E string, back to the 6th fret of the E string, and down to the 6th fret of the B string. Now when you transition between these two notes on the B string, you're going to have your finger be flat. And when you play the high E string, you're going to be pushing down on that while only lightly touching the B string with the top of your finger. See, the B string is muted while the E string is being played. Then you're going to switch it up when you go to the 6th fret of the B string. Now you're going to use the tip of your finger to play that note while the flat part of your finger is going to mute the 6th fret of the E string. So you got those 3 notes. Now you're going to go up to the 9th fret of the B string with your 4th finger, aka the old pinky. Very good. Up to the 6th fret of the E string with your 1st finger. Down to the G string with your 3rd finger. Now with your 2nd finger, you got to stretch a little bit. You're going to go to the 6th fret of the B string, why not? Last 3 notes are right here. Now you play the 5th fret of the G string with your 1st finger. Go up 2 frets with your 3rd finger. Now you're going to be on 7th fret of the G string, and 1 more half step, aka 1 fret, with your pinky, and then you're done. If you made it through this tutorial, congratulations on being single.